Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So this is the surprise box on my desk today, and let's open it and see what is inside this beautiful box. So I had just received the new launched things by itsy and I'm super curious to see what is inside this. So tada, I have just opened it and I can see some beauties by Frozen Princess. So I will show you one by one each and every item. So first thing I have got is this beautiful wooden cutout in snowflake shape. You can use this in mixed media. Also I got some chipboards in Frozen Princess, tree and snowflake design. So you can just use these beauties in any projects. Now the next thing is these deco transfer sheet of Frozen Princess theme. So you will get different designs, and on back side you will get the small tutorial that how you can use these transfer sheets. And I got in two different designs. Now, the next thing is this beautiful frozen stencil. You can just create beautiful floral design. You just need to put it on base and use your texture paste or chalk paints or anything to create beautiful patterns. Now, this is the pre-cut out elements, also known as embellishments. This is also matched with our frozen theme. So you will get total 20 designs and each design in two quantities, that is total 40 pieces. Isn't it a great idea? You don't need to fussy cut anything. Now these are the 3D stickers of Frozen Princess, the cute sisters, and this is the super cute snowman. I just love it. Also I got some 2D stickers. This is a pack of 3 sticker sheets and you will get different designs inside this. Isn't it a fun to use these stickers? You just need to peel it off and it's ready to use. Now the next thing is these filament decoupage papers. So this is the beautiful princess design printed on one side, and on back side you will get these two small similar design. Also I got this one, the North Calls, and these are A4 size decoupage paper, and then this is the huge A3 size filament paper on which you will get this huge design. So this is the front, and on back side you will get one more design. So you can just cover the huge place using these papers. And the next thing I got is this Deco Magic decoupage glue. This is the best glue for decoupage work. This is the matte glue, so you will not get any shine. And also I got these two chalk acrylic colors in frozen blue shade, and the other one is buttermilk shade. These are cute tiny bottles to make the beautiful background. So let's start making some beautiful project. So this is all about my craft haul, and now I am starting with making one cute card using some of the elements from this bunch. So here I am taking this A4 size decoupage filament paper, just taking out from the packaging, and I am taking the small paper here and also taking 300 GSM white color cardstock, just aligning it with the base. So I will take the left side here for the background of my card. So just taking the decoupage glue which I got, and I am spreading it evenly using paintbrush on the surface. Then just place your paper on top of this, rub it using fingers so that no air bubble will raise, and just try to cover each and every corner using glue and stick it very well. So in this way you can make your own pattern papers using these decoupage papers. Isn't it a great idea? Now I'm just cutting the excess paper and making my card base. So this is done. Then I'm just adding some white color splashes here and there to give snowy effect. So here I have taken buttermilk chalk paint on my brush and just tapping it. Now I'm taking white color cardstock base and adding my card base with this. Then here I am taking this deco transfer sheet and I am going to use this corner design here. So just taking out the pattern from package, you need to just fussy cut little bit all around the design. Then taking white cardstock again, just take out the transparent film from top and then paste it on sheet. Then I am just applying wet brush on this. Here I am using flat brush. Just cover whole portion evenly and then slide the top paper slowly using your fingers. Do it very carefully. And ta-da! The pattern has been shifted to the sheet. Allow it to dry for some time. So here I have just cut my pattern using circle die. You can also cut it using scissors. And for the base I am taking scallop design just to give little beautiful white scallop boundary or border to our pattern. Now here I am taking the sticker and I am taking this cute small snowman sticker from center, putting it on white cardstock, and then I'm going to fussy cut the snowman part using scissors. And a cute snowman is ready. Then I'm going to stick this snowman in one corner. Like this. Then here I'm taking acetate sheet and permanent marker and making one spiral design on this. Here I am making the mechanism of the jumping pattern. So can you see this spiral design? Now you just need to cut it using scissors. Here I am making the wobbler technique to pop up our pattern. So can you see the spiral is done and our handmade wobbler is ready. Now taking back the card base and the pattern which we have created. Now here on back side, only on one corner I have added double-sided tacky tape, sticking it with the card base. Press it very well And in the center exactly, I have added one more piece of red tacky tape. Just remove the liner and stick your pattern on top of this. Here I am using tacky tape because it's strong enough to hold the acetate sheet and our pattern. And can you see this? When I will rotate it, it automatically come in its original place. Isn't it a cute idea and very fun activity? Now I am starting with the quilling flower decorations. So for my first flower I am taking one strip of blue color 2 mm and making one Malaysian flower petal. I am wrapping this petal using light blue color strip. Here I am using 2 mm strips, but you can also use 3 mm or 5 mm strips. So I am wrapping half strip of light blue with the petal. Secure the end using glue, and now I am joining 5 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. So flower is ready. Now for the next flower I am taking one strip of light blue color and making one tight teardrop shape. I am joining 5 petals and adding half cut pearl in the center. So we need these type of flowers. For these two small flowers I have used half strip of light blue color, and also I have prepared these leaves using half strip of white color. These are simple tight leaf shapes. Now I am starting with the scroll. So I am taking one white strip, cutting from center, again folding it and cutting from center. So we have 4 1/4 strips. Fold this bunch in half and start making a scroll using pointed tweezer. Just cut the excess strip from bottom and secure it using glue. So the scroll is ready. Now taking back my card, and I will start decorating it using my handmade quilling flowers. Now I'm adding this handwritten sentiment, dream big, in top corner. So the card says dream big, destiny awaits. Now I have these Nuvo drops in blue and white color, so I'm just adding these drops here and there to give little 3D effect. You can also use pearl drops by Little Birdie. Like this, and the cute card is ready. You can just play with this center part like this. Yeah, very fun activity. And our beautiful card is done. So that's it for today. This is about my latest craft haul on frozen princess, and also I have shown you how to create this cute card. So hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.